Customs not a holy cow. Gold has always been an eminent part of Indian families. The country is the second largest importer of yellow metal after China. And Kerala is the biggest consumer in India. The passion for gold has never died, nor would it. No wonder people bring gold into the country, and the airports have been the place where gold reaches from abroad, the Gulf in particular. Rough estimates say over 100 tons of gold get smuggled into India each year. It is here the customs department plays its role. As per norms, an expatriate who lives abroad for 6 to 12 months can bring gold. This is 20 grams or worth rupees 50,000 for a man and 50 grams or 1 lakh for a woman. But many an NRI in the Gulf return home with much more than the prescribed limit. The customs is responsible to confiscate the gold one brings in more than the declared quantity. The person can legitimately bring it after declaring and paying customs duty. The international price of gold has skyrocketed since recently. So also is gold smuggling into India. Smuggling of gold is a routine in all the 4 international airports in Kerala. The customs seized over 1,000 kilograms of gold in the past 3 years, and a repeat is through already this year in 8 months. But is the customs department doing enough to curb the smuggling? If it was so, no gold would have evaded their checking and come out of the terminal. There appears to be a customs smuggler nexus in these airports. A section of the officials seems to be either colluding with the criminals or let loose the screening system. The recent incident of DRA officials being hit by the smuggler's car shows gold still flows out of the airport. A bulk quantity of gold was seized from the car which hit the officials. The smuggling of yellow metal would destabilize our economy. Hence, more stringent action to curb the menace is required. The brains and lobby behind the scene are mightier than what meets the eyes. Otherwise, gold smuggling would not have continued even after a high-profile smuggling case is being investigated by 3 central agencies. There needs to be stricter enforcement to check the inflow of smuggled gold into the country. Not just confiscation and registering a case, but more stringent measures be taken against the culprits. With NIA's observation that the money made through gold smuggling is used for terrorism, things get more serious. Increased vigilance, flawless screening, as well as serious punishment is the need of the hour to curb gold smuggling. സമാനമായ റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾക്കും അവലോകനങ്ങൾക്കുമായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തി ഓൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക.